Hello everyone. Today is our lesson. It is communication and technology. So, about communication technology, what do you know? Before the lesson, I will show you some pictures. So, we can see communication technology. Today, we will learn apply the systems model of communication, identity communication subsystem, discuss different forms of communication, describe the different models of communication, explain how communication technology has affected models of communication, identify the positive impacts of communication technology, identify the negative impacts of communication technology. Now, I want to ask you, what is communication? Who can answer this question?
Communication, it means communicate with someone.
The word communication organized from Latin, commerce means common.
Transfer of thoughts, message as contrasted with transportation of goals and persons. Called the encyclopedia of communication.
Yes. Then I want to say when we use technical economic equipment is communicating, it is called communication technology. So do you think communication technology is important in our life?
Yes, of course.
Why?
Help us to connect with each other. For example, if I and my friend in two different city, we can connect other and communicate by communication technology.
Yes, you are right.
Now your work thanks for technology. Go on.
And communications models scores to transmitter and transmission systems, receiver and destinations. For example, workstations to modern to public telephone network and modern to service. This is example. It is understandable.
Yes.
Then, communication technology. It is used for 4 distinct types of communication. They are human-to-human communication, human-to-machine communication, machine-to-human communication, machine-to-machine communication. So, did you understand this? I think human-to-human communication is very easy to understand. But what is human-to-machine communication? Who can answer?
It means communication with other sources of technology like network, search, and websites, and etc. Computer, maybe phone.
Yes, you are right. And what is machine-to-human communication?
It means human need to technological communication and techniques in the and we need all of the technological resources.
Yes. And what is machine-to-machine communication?
Techniques connected to each other.
Yes, and I think in the future it is very important in our life. It is new technology, I think. So, there are 3 types of communication technology. There are wave technology and electronic technology and graphic technology. Communication technology. It uses equipment and system to send and receive information. This technology communication information using graphic and wave systems. And graphic comes from a word meaning to draw or write as on paper. Wave refers to radio waves, a kind of energy. Okay.
It may be communicated with picture, or words on that surfaces. These kinds of message are called graphic communication. In graphic communication, people read the message.
Yes, thank you, Nazgul. And there are wave communication, electronic communication, email, and internet. Who wants to read the wave communication and electronic communication?
Wave communication, the systems depends on an energy source called electromagnetic radiation.
Then?
In electronic communication, people can use light, sound, or electrical waves to send information. The information is coded at the source. In email, electronic mail, fast and easy text can be sent through waves. Attachments can also be made. Documents, graphics, videos can be sent. And the internet, it allows people to gather information using the World Wide Web and exchange messages using electronic mail.
Thank you. And this is GPS. Consists of receiver contact to selected systems, determining the geography location of the receiver. Use it for car addressing, hiking, tracking it. Do you think GPS are very important? Why?
Everywhere, if you want to go somewhere in unknown city,
Yes.
we can use yes and then head to the place where we want.
Yes, I agree with you. When I went to the another city, if I haven't took it, I can't go everywhere. And do you know about this? What's this? No?
Yes.
Then radio, television, fax machine, CD, DVD, and cell phone. I think all of you know cell phone, but a few people know fax machine. Yes. So I think you all know the communication technology. So let's do some exercise, please. I will give you 1 minute. Who wants to try? Okay.
Communication technology uses technical means, equipment, and systems to exchange ideas, information, and opinions.
Great. Second one, who wants? Okay, Nazgul.
Each communication is designed to each communication message is designed to inform, persuade, entertain, or achieve some combination of these goals.
And
third one is telecommunication is communication at distance through electronic means.
Yes. First one, who wants to try?
Fourth is communication system.
Yes, the first one, who wants to try?
Which of the following in a social network, Twitter?
Yes, you are right. So what we change? Who wants to answer this question? What we change? It is sender driven, but now it's receiver driven. Before is one to many, but now it's many to many. So next one. Communication technology application. Who wants to read this?
May I? Voicemail, Twitter, email, instant messaging, chat rooms, news groups, telephone, video conferencing, collaboration, GPS.
Yes, thank you. And I want to ask you, what is bad effects of communication technology? As we know, communication technology is very good for our life, but it also have bad things. What do you think?
One of the bad effects is that our live communication. No, we lose our live communication with the help of communication technology, because nowadays we don't prefer to go to the home, for example, my friend's home, for saying something. We choose the communication technology instead of them.
Yes, thank you. And who wants to add something?
And also, phones, computers, and gives bad effect for our eyes, our health. Nowadays, 70% of people are wearing glasses because of this.
So I think nowadays parents are very busy, so they can't take care for baby all day. So they often give their phone to the baby. So it is very bad for their eyes, and it is also bad for our environment, because every year it has lots of electronic wastage to is bad for our water, I think. Then I want to give your home task. Where is the home task? Home task is write an essay. Themes, communication technologies, cons and pros. Understandable?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Too.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Goodbye.
Kullina yengi bäärli ommasın